Today, I'm going to talk about one of my most important tips on how to get the most value out of items in your closet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to see you. It's Friday or maybe it's not Friday when you're watching this video, but it's Friday for me. And today I'm gonna talk about one of my things that I talk about all the time. I say this and I sound like a broken record, but when you buy a new item of clothing, you need to think about how you can style it 3 different ways, because not only will you get more wear out of the item, but you will also utilize more things in your closet. So that way, instead of walking into your closet being like, I have nothing to wear, which is what everyone does, including me sometimes, you can just think a little bit past that and think like, okay, well, I do have this and I can wear it with these shoes, this jacket, these shoes, that purse. So you just need to expand your mind. So I'm just gonna get you rolling here, and I'm gonna start with a very simple dress, and it's my jean dress that I wear every day. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk you through this process a little bit. You know, when you're go shopping and you're going to the store or the department store, boutique or whatever, you know, when you generally scan and then you find that one item, you're like, oh, I love this floral dress, this jean dress, whatever it is, and you pick it up and you've fallen in love with it. I want you to stop for a moment and think, where would I wear this item and how would I wear it 3 ways? If you can answer that question, you can carry on to that dressing room and try it on. But if you can't answer that question and you can't visualize it 3 different ways, don't bother. You really won't get enough use out of it, especially if it's a more expensive item. So now that I've given you that little intro, I'm gonna say this is one dress I bought for myself. It is a jean dress. So the first way I've styled it with is a pair of white runners. Simple, classic jean dress, straight down, white runners. If it's a little colder out and you need to think about what am I gonna wear with this jean dress and white runners, I chose my white jean jacket. I've tied it around my waist so that I have it when I'm inside, when I'm running errands, when I'm going on a meeting. I've tied it, it's very casual. Or when it gets cold, I've put it on. And I'll just show you. So now this also comes back to like the basics that you have in your closet, and a white jean jacket for summer is something that I would recommend that you have. And so I've thrown this on with my jean dress and my shoes, and it's a comfortable, casual outfit, ready to go. And I would like to say yesterday I was in a meeting and I wore this dress and I wore it with white runners. And it was also very cute. And in fact, I threw it on with a white blazer. So there you go. Look 1, casual, running shoes, jean jacket, or if it's hot, no jean jacket. So for the second way, I'm gonna show you how I styled this dress. I have these slip-on mules, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be just totally honest here. I'm thinking of all the different ways that I can wear it in a casual way. I'm kind of going dressy a little bit as I go up, but honestly, I just want to be able to throw it on. I want to be able to look good, but I also want to be comfortable. And so I have these black casual mules that I bought at Man Woman Home. I love them. They have a tiny bit of a heel, so that gives me a little bit of height. I feel like I'm a little bit dressed up, and they're pointy and they got some studs, which is very me. The shoes are black, and so to balance that out, I've thrown on my leather jacket and a casual purse. And this is literally what I did last weekend. I wore this dress during the day with runners, and then we had to go out for dinner, and I put on my black mules and my black jacket, and away I went, and I felt like I was much more dressed up, and I never changed my dress. So anyway, this just goes to show you, like, just think of the item and think of it in different ways and think of it with different colors. So here you go, here's the same jean dress, very basic, easy, dressed up with black. So we looked at how to wear this dress casually, dressed down with runners and a jean jacket. Then I dressed it up a little more with some mules and a black coat. And now we're gonna step it up even more, and I'm gonna add high heel sandals and a shawl. And I think it's a good look, and I'm ready to go out. Because this dress is a jean dress, the shoes, even though they have a heel, I've kept them fairly casual. Although I'm just gonna tell you that I actually have put on nude patent pumps with this and a blazer, and it looked super cute. However, for this look, I'm just showing you add high heel sandals, and I just added a shawl. This one I added a neutral color. I love this one. It's something you can throw over your arms when you're out for a dinner on the patio, or you're going out with friends, or even into a meeting, or if you're in a conference. It's often cold inside those big air-conditioned conference centers in the buildings, and it's always nice to have some sort of throw. So I really like this. So I think this is a great look for this dress. And again, it's just stretched your imagination a little bit as to how you can wear it just one way. And before I let you guys go, I just want to let you know I've also worn this dress with my desert boots, and I love them, and a big crossbody purse. Like, it's seriously limitless. Next time you go shopping, remember, stop. Think about this video and think about, what do you have in your closet already, and how can you style that item 3 different ways from the pieces that you have? And maybe you can think about pieces like, I never wear these yellow shoes. Well, maybe you can wear that item with the yellow shoes. Just think about what you have and what you can incorporate with it. And definitely, before you spend the money, try and like expand your mind. And trust me, you'll be so glad that you did. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love when I post the videos. You guys are so awesome. The comments pop up, and you guys start to leave me messages, and I really appreciate it. So I just want to say thank you. If you're looking for more outfit ideas, I usually post what I'm wearing on Instagram. I try to. I don't always do it because sometimes I just suck at it and sometimes I don't feel like it. But if I actually can, I will post what I'm wearing in hopes to give you guys some inspiration and some tips and tricks on there. So while you're waiting for the next video to come out on the next Friday, you can pop on over to Instagram. I'm at Style by Kim XO. And you can scroll through there and get some inspiration. Get some inspiration there. So I'll see you guys next week. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And then I know which kind of videos you like, and leave a comment down below. Bye.